I am Givanildo, owner of Thor Componentes Automotivos. Our headquarters are here in Maringa in the state of Paraná. The company was founded in '98 and manufactures products in the brake sector in the part of brakes for trailers, and we expanded into suspension. And with that, we grew in the market and conquered new spaces within the segment. We started out as a small company with a physical space of around 200 square meters, and we went through a process of evolution and expansion, not only in terms of products, but also in terms of expanding our physical space. We have now become the leader in the suspension aftermarket, in which we serve all makes of car manufacturers and trailers throughout Brazil. We currently have 4 plants, and we're already facing a lot of difficulties. What did we do? We invested 2 years ago in a very significant area in terms of size in the town of Marialvo next to Maringa. This new factory will have around 20,000 square meters, is in an excellent location. And what are we looking for? An even greater evolution in our production processes. In this whole process, we invested in good equipment products from established brands, where we could buy a machine that really delivered what we really needed in terms of production agility and quality. And we've known each other for years, a partnership that began 10, 12 years ago, getting to know the PR2 company, getting to know hanslaser, which is represented by PR2 here in Brazil. And today we can proudly say that it is one of our main equipment suppliers in one of the most important areas I have within the company. Today we have 3 laser cutting machines from hanslaser, and we're already planning a new investment for next year. We saw that what hanslaser was able to deliver to us was far superior in terms of not only the quality of the equipment, the quality of the cut product, but above all, also the issue of assistance, of being able to be close to the customer. So this is one of the fundamental factors for us to believe in and continue with the whole partnership process with this company, which is hanslaser and PR2 here in Brazil.